This is the 1965 Chevy Impala. This is the Foose Addition by Revell. I originally bought this kit to use the body as a test body when I got back into the hobby to practice my airbrushing, and I used different various paints on this body. I used acrylics, enamels, lacquers, and like I said, it was just a test body. I practiced my panel line scribing and the rough and finish sanding on it, and so I just decided to go ahead and build this out and get it built before it got too bad and it wouldn't look all that great. But this was also my first time using bare metal foil. I used it on the front and rear glass and the trim around the windows, and also the trim around the bucket seats. I painted this with the Tamiya paint. It's the TS9 British Green, and then I cleared it with the TS13. And once I finished that, I polished it out with the Novus products and the Meguiar's mirror glaze, and it came out pretty good. I was glad to get this one finished. Let me see if I can pop the hood off here, and we'll take a look inside the engine bay. Okay, I did a little detailing in there. I wired the distributor, and then I went ahead and put all the air conditioning lines in there because I liked all the detail work, so that came out pretty good. We'll take a look inside here at the here's the trim around the bucket seats, the bare metal foil. That worked out really well in there. Here's the inside. I detailed it, the dash and the door panels and console. It all come out pretty good. All in all, it's a nice kit. Like I said, I'm still practicing on my paint and the detailing, but I guess like all of us, with every kit you build, you better yourself. So that's what I'm striving for, to keep building and get better with each one. And I'm going to try that bare metal foil on the next project, which is a 1960 AMT fleet side pickup. But boy, I tell you, it's a bear to put on and get it looking good. But I may also try just masking everything off and painting, but I really don't know until I get to that point. But this one turned out pretty good, so I think I'm done with this one and I'm ready to move on.